in our fantasy. So take me, baby.
Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So right now, if you want to see how I came about this look here, please stay tuned, and me, your girl, I shall see you on today. We're going to use this baby here, Tashnee.V.Mavee. So guys, today I'm going to review this. It's in deep, the neutral deep 78. You can see, I think, look at this is so beautiful. Check. So today I'll be using Tashnee.V.Mavee. I did a video the last time, but I think I lost my video. I don't know what happened to it. So today I'm going to be using this baby here, and I love everything about it. I love the design of it. See the way it opens. I really love this. So yeah. Shake it first, and I'm going to be doing like this. So I'm going to go in with my brush and I'm patting that on my face. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit of it. Because I went to Sephora, I was looking for a new makeup because I decided that I wanted to change the game, and I just wanted only new makeup to use. So I went to Sephora, and actually I was going all over because I wanted really a new foundation to use. I went to a lot of places looking for foundation. So then I decided, you know what, let me just try Tashnee.V.Mavee, because I've been hearing a lot of people talk about it and I never tried. So I said to myself, let me just try to see if I can. Oh, I think the color is nice. You can see guys, it's really coverage. It's really, because when I used it inside, because they were able to let me do my makeup inside Sephora, so I did my makeup there and I was happy. It really feels good on the skin and it dries quicker. I really love it. So another thing that I bought for myself is I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. So make this is how it is, and of course this is how it is, guys. See guys, I'm filming with my phone. Don't know if you can see there. I'm using my phone, and see. So I'm going to go in with this. It's okay, before I do that, I think I'm going to go ahead and draw my lips. I'm going to go in with my lips. Wait, that's coming just because of my eyeshadows. Blend it together. I'm going to go in with this, guys. Yeah, I already contoured my nose, contoured my face, so now we're going to go in with my Pro Filter. I'm going to go in with this, guys. I'm going to try to use a brush. Hey guys, we have come to the end of the tutorial. As you can see, this is the final look. So as you can see, this is how we look. So just tell me what you think about this look, if it was a yes or no. So so thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you for the love and the support that you'll be showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. And hey, don't forget to hit the bell so that every time I upload my videos, you'll be the first one to be notified. So this girl has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much guys for stopping by, and thank you for each and everything, and thank you a million times for the 1,000 subscribers. So me, your girl, I shall see you on the next video. Bye.